Master English speaking powerful tips. 1. Don't depend only on grammar and dictionaries. Many learners waste months stuck in grammar books and memorizing dictionary words. This method is slow and boring. Real speaking skills don't come from rules alone. Communication is about flow, confidence, and practice. Grammar is important, but it should support your speaking, not control it. 2. Listen to English daily like a child learns a language. Think about how children learn their mother tongue. They don't start with grammar rules. They first listen for months. Do the same. Listen to English movies, news, podcasts, or even songs every day. When your brain hears English daily, it automatically starts to catch rhythm, pronunciation, and natural usage. Listening is fuel for speaking. 3. Speak every single day. Even with simple words, don't wait for the perfect day to start. Speak daily. Describe the objects around you in English. Read books or articles aloud with energy. Talk to yourself while doing daily tasks. The more you speak, the faster your mouth and brain get trained. Combine your eyes, ears, and voice. Use all senses together. This is powerful learning. 4. Use technology to your advantage. You are living in the best time to learn. Language apps, AI tools, and online communities are available at your fingertips. Use them daily to practice pronunciation, vocabulary, and interactive lessons. Technology is your free teacher. Don't waste it. 5. Improve pronunciation with simple hacks. One famous trick is the pen between teeth exercise. Hold a pen in your mouth and try to read or speak. It forces your tongue and mouth muscles to work harder, which sharpens clarity when you remove the pen. Stronger muscles equals clearer pronunciation. 6. Train in front of a mirror like a performer. Stand before a mirror and talk. Watch your lips, eyes, posture, and gestures. This not only improves pronunciation, but also builds confidence. You'll see how you appear to others, and you can correct body language, eye contact, and expressions. Speak like you're giving a speech. It makes a huge difference. 7. Confidence is more powerful than perfect grammar. Many learners stay silent because they fear mistakes. That's weakness. The truth: nobody cares if your grammar is 100% perfect. What matters is bold, confident delivery. Speak with energy, even if you make errors. Confidence pulls people in. Mistakes teach you fast. The more you talk, the better you become. If you follow these 7 tips daily, step by step, your English speaking will not just improve, it will transform.